Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math. Question number 33. There were some $2, $5, and $100 notes in Jane's wallet. Notes, 钞票. The value of the $2, $5, and $100 was in the ratio of 4 to 5 to 3. Value. We are talking about value in this sentence. And after spending 50% of her $100 notes, spend 50%. That means spend 50% of the value of her $100 notes. 100, I think this is number of notes. 100 notes, which is $2 notes. And 4/5, 4/5 of her $5 notes, Jane had $450 left. Okay? But as you can see, the number of $5 notes, 5 units, okay, to divide by 5. But if we want to express 50% of her $100 notes was spent, that means half. But the number of $100, 3 units. If we divide 3 by 2, the answer is 1.5. It is not that convenient for us to express the values when we are solving this question. So, first of all, we enlarge the ratio from 4 to 5 to 3 to 8 to 10 to times 2 times 2 times 2 to 6. 我们把比例进行放大，这样子呢就方便我们进行计算了。Okay? We increase the ratio. So at first, value of $2 notes, $8x, all right, $5 notes, 10x, and of course $100 notes, 6x, all right. And in the end, after spending so much money, value of $2 notes, we spend 100 notes of her $2 notes. Must be very careful. Minus 2 times 100. That is 8x minus 200. And the value of $5 notes remain in James' wallet after spending 4/5 of her $5 notes. 10x times 1 minus 4/5 equals 2x, all right? And $100 notes remain, the value of $100 notes remain in her wallet. 6x times 50%, that is 3x. And Jane had $450 left. So we can form an equation to express, or minus 200, the value of $2 notes, plus 2x, the value of $5 notes, and 3x, the value of $100 notes remaining, equals $450. Remove the bracket. 13x minus 200, 450. 13x equals $650. X equals, 650 divided by 13, 50. X equals 50. And the question is, find the total amount of money Jane had in her wallet at first. 8x, 10x, 16x, plus 18 plus 16, 34x. Alright? No. This one is not 16. No, not 16. Sorry. 6x. Okay? 24. Oh, careless. 24x and 24 times 50. 24. 50 times 24. 1,200. 1,200. At first, Jane had $1,200. Okay, this is the answer. Conversion of ratio. In large, easier for us to solve, easier for us to assume the values at first, and we can further express the remaining value in the wallet of each of the nodes. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.